Barcode Scanner Single Item Setup. Press the menu button. Select Depth. Depth Program. Scan the code using the barcode scanner. Name. You can customize the name according to your needs. Depth No. Please enter the corresponding department number to link the product with the department. Price. Please enter the product price. Price. This feature sets a unified VIP price for products. If you need to set different discount prices for different VIP levels, please use the VIP account settings function below. Stock. Please enter the product inventory. Warn. Please enter the product stock alert level. After completing the settings, press Cash to return.